Is your image line apps broken by the Newtone 64 module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. To kick off the Newtone 64 module guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Newtone 64 module, the 64-bit core library for the Newtone pitch and time manipulation plugin in FL Studio, responsible for frequency domain editing and vocal timing correction. It powers advanced pitch editing workflows. If missing, FL Studio may report plugin load failures during project scanning. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Newtone x64 is commonly required by games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy DirectX runtime files, while updating your GPU drivers resolves OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA dependencies. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Newtone 64 module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Be aware that manual interventions for Newtone 64 module DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Newtone 64 module-related documentation. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Newtone 64 module error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.